Welcome to this course. I'm Jeffrey. This is the course Create Websites from Scratch with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this course, you will learn how to write a web page and create your own web profile at the end of the course with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Not familiar with those names? No problem. This is a course designed for you, designed for beginners who don't even know what are they and how they build up a web page. So, if you are an advanced user of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you may want to look for a more advanced course. There are courses that teach Node.js, AngularJS, and React. But no matter what framework you use, they are all based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a course aimed at building your foundation of creating a website. And if you are beginners, you are in the right place. So now, let's move on.
This course will use many examples to demonstrate the best way of learning web development. I'll guide you through each of the examples and build up your foundation step by step. Before starting the course, what you need is a computer that can access the internet. And that's it. Here shows the roadmap of the course. In the first 3 sections, I'll talk about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The 3 sections seem separated, but they actually require knowledge from the previous section. For example, in learning CSS, you actually need the knowledge from the HTML section. So, after the 3 sections, I will introduce some web development tools and libraries that can create fancy and extraordinary websites. By the end of the course, you are not only learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also having your own personal fancy web profile with you to share to your friends. So now, let's start.